Okay, children, we'll start our today's writing work. This is your book number 1. Take out your book number 1. Take page number 9. Page number 9. Have you all done your yesterday's homework? Okay. Take out the photo of your homework and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay? Good. Now we'll start our today's writing work. So today topic is letters A to Z. This is lesson number 4 and here now we are going to write the letters. Here they have given capital letter and you have to write small letter. So this is capital letter A and you have to trace here small a. Okay? Mama A, this is baby A. This is big A, so we will call this letter mama, and this letter is small, so we'll call it baby. Okay? Now this is mama B. Now write here small b, that is baby B. Okay? Next is capital C. Then write small c. Then after C, D. A, B, C, D. Here it is capital D, right? Small d. Here capital E, then write small e. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here there is capital F. Now write small f. Now next is G. Capital G, small g. Then H. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Okay, very nice. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for table, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Very nice. Now here you have to write the picture names. What is the letter of this picture? Now we call L for lion. What do we call? L for lion. So write first capital L and then small l. Now next picture is of trophy. तुम्ही जर गुड बॉय गुड गर्ल सारखे राहिलात तर तुम्हाला स्कूलमध्ये ट्रॉफी मिळते. येस. So be a good girl, good boy. Then you will get this trophy. Then we call T for trophy. So write a capital T and small t. Next picture is of zebra. We call Z for zebra. So write a capital Z and small z. Next picture is of pot. Pot comes from P for pot. So write a capital P and here small p. Next is dog. Everyone knows D for dog. So capital D and then small d. Next is R for rose. Capital R and small r. Here it is monkey. So M for monkey. Capital M, small m. Now here goat. Yes, G for goat. Capital G and small g. Next is Y. Yes, good. Y for yak. Very nice. Capital Y and small y. Here it is watermelon. W for watermelon. Capital W, small w. Here there is horse. H for horse. Capital H, small h. Here there is ball. Everyone knows B for ball. Capital B, small b. Now here there is T for tiger. Yes. So capital T, small t. Now here is Q for queen. So capital Q and small q. Here there is nest. Nest of a bird. So N for nest and capital N and small n. Here there is elephant. E for elephant. Capital E, small e. Here there is V for vase. Capital V, small v. Now last is F for right, fish. F for fish. Capital F, small f. Good. Now this is your homework for today. Do this page, do your homework and send me, take the picture of your homework and send me on the WhatsApp. See you tomorrow. Bye.